Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds 3 and I'm going to tell you how can you easily install its app and set up it in your iPhone. At first we have to open not settings, App Store, and go into search. In the search bar we have to search for JBL and search. Here you have to search for the application called JBL headphones. I do have it here. Now we have to tap this cloud with this arrow icon or get button. If you have get button over here, you have to authorize yourself using Face ID or using your Apple ID password. Now we have to wait until our app installs. It may take some time, so don't worry. It is based on your internet connection and your phone. If you have some older phone, you will have slower downloading speed. And now we have our app installed. We have to tap open. And now we have to just tap allow over here. Now we have to tap allow again. And here we have to tap get started. Here we have to accept for terms and conditions, and here we have to tap on this plus. As you can see, our application detected our headphones automatically. And now we have get started, pair, and here we can skip our setup. And now we are done. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.